Hello, my name's Lynn.
And I'm Jessica, and we're from the Strathpine Library.
Welcome to Rhyme Time today. To start with, we say, we at the library would like to acknowledge the Turrbal people.
The traditional custodians, and thank them for sharing this land.
We say, here is the land, here is the sky, here are my friends, and here am I. And you're all our friends, aren't you? Of course you are.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, you ready to sing?
I'm ready to sing.
Okay, we're going to do our welcome song. So we're going to have our happy hands ready. You got your happy hands ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? Well done. Good job. Okay. They're all happy? I'm happy. Now we're going to do some tickling. So, Bubs love tickling. Kids love tickling. Mums and dads love tickling. Let's all tickle. We start with our toes. We go to the nose and the tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go high to start with. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. A tickle for your toes. A tickle for your nose. A tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go high. Arms go low. A great big hug to say hello. See, anything that ends in a hug has got to be good.
Oh, definitely.
Now we're going to be doing a lot of these rhymes twice because little ones learn best by repetition. So
I learn best by repetition.
I do too. Practice and practice and you get it right. So this is what we're doing and why we're doing it. Okay, so we're going to zoom to the moon now.
Ooh,
Are you up for that?
I think so.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can you count backwards?
Maybe.
Okay. Let's go. We're going to zoom to the moon. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. Let's count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Now you've got to remember not to throw the baby through the roof. So let's do that again. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Woohoo!
I think everyone made it that time.
Did we make it? That's good. Okay, now we're moving and grooving.
My dad has one of these clocks.
You've got a cuckoo clock?
My dad does.
Ah, so we're going to tick-tock like a cuckoo clock, which means a little bit of rocking action. So you up for that?
Yep.
You don't get.
Times are we going to cuckoo?
Oh, we might cuckoo 3 times. And you're not going to get seasick, are you?
Oh, no.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Tick-tock, tick-tock. I'm a little cuckoo clock. Tick-tock, tick-tock, stop. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. Cuckoo! Bubs in the air. Let's do it again. Let's go for 2 o'clock. Tick-tock, tick-tock. I'm a little cuckoo clock. Tick-tock, tick-tock, stop. What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. Cuckoo! Cuckoo! Yeah, you're doing pretty well there. 1 to go. Let's go for 3 o'clock. Tick-tock, tick-tock. I'm a little cuckoo clock. Tick-tock, tick-tock, stop. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Cuckoo! 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 Yay! And everyone there now thinks we're cuckoo. Oh, it's all good. Now we've got our hands happening. How about a open shut them?
Sounds good to me.
Are you up for that?
You are.
So we're going to give a little clap. We'll lay them in our lap. We'll creep them up to our chin. We'll open our mouth, but we're not going to let them in. Okay, we'll shake them.
And roll them.
And roll them. And blow a kiss.
Yes.
Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Lay them in your lap. Creep them, creep them, creep them, creep them right up to your chin. Open wide your little mouth, but do not let them in. Oh, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them just like this. Roll them, roll them, roll them, roll them. Blow a little kiss. Mwah!
Oh, I think we should do it again.
Again?
Yeah.
I think we should too. You ready? Open, shut them, give a little clap. Open, shut them, lay them in your lap. Creep them, right up to your chin. Open wide your little mouth, but do not let them in. Shake them, just like this. Roll them, blow a little kiss. Mwah! Yay! Blowing kisses.
Now, I think everyone is very happy today. I'm very happy. How about you?
Well, I hope they're happy because I'm pretty happy too.
We should sing about that.
We're going to be singing about how we're happy? Okay. So how are we going to do that?
We might clap our hands, stomp our feet, nod our heads, shout hooray, and then blow a kiss. Because everyone likes kisses.
Okay. You ready to go?
Yes.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, blow a kiss, mwah! If you're happy and you know it, blow a kiss, mwah! If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, blow a kiss, mwah! Yay! Now that's a round of applause if ever I saw one. Speaking of round, how about round the garden?
Ooh, here's a belly,
On a hand?
a back,
How about an ear?
maybe even a bum,
Ooh!
if it's close enough.
Okay, we're going round that garden. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Round and round the garden like a teddy bear. 1 step, 2 step, tickly under there. Now like a little mouse on the other side. Round and round the garden like a little mouse. 1 step, 2 step, into his little house. Very good. How about we do it on some other spot?
Ooh, okay.
Okay, I'm going to do it on my ears.
Okay.
Okay, if you had a baby on your knee, where would you do it on them? On their tummy?
Maybe the back. Well, it depends on where they're facing. Babies do like to see you, so if you're facing them towards
Ah,
you, could do it on the belly.
that's a good idea. So let's try that. 1, 2, 3. Round and round the garden like a teddy bear. 1 step, 2 step, tickly under there. And the other side. Round and round the garden like a little mouse. 1 step, 2 step, and into his little house. I think everybody would love having that done.
I think so.
Oh,
That's my favourite song.
oh, Jess has got a favourite song,
I'm excited.
and she loves to dance.
I do.
Mama's little baby loves dancing
And grooving.
and grooving. So let's move and groove.
Sounds good.
Oh, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Mama's little baby loves dancing, dancing. Mama's little baby loves turning round. Mama's little baby loves dancing, dancing. Mama's little baby loves to boogie down. Lean to the left, lean to the right. Hug that baby nice and tight. Lean to the left, lean to the right. Hug that baby nice and tight. Mama's little baby loves dancing, dancing. Mama's little baby loves turning round. Mama's little baby loves dancing, dancing. Mama's little baby loves to boogie down. Yay! Good job, Jess.
Makes me so happy.
Oh yeah, I'm just a bit pooped out now.
Well, good thing. We're going to slow it down with some jazz hands.
Jazz hands. What are we going to do with them?
Twinkle, twinkle.
Twinkle, twinkle. That's my favourite now.
There you go.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Oh, that was lovely. I really enjoyed that. I've got my breath back now.
And it's that time of day again.
Oh, goodness me, is it time to go?
Yes.
Oh, that went way too fast.
I know, we have way too much fun.
Well, we'll do some more tickling. We'll start with the toes, the nose, then the tummy, where the watermelon goes. Arms go low to start with. Are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. A tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy, where the watermelon goes. Arms go low, arms go high, a great big hug to say goodbye. And then we have our happy hands on, but we're a little bit sad because we're singing goodbye.
Yeah.
But that's okay, we'll see you again next time. Are you ready? Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you another day. Yay! Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.